Hey guys, today I thought we would do an unboxing of some plants from Succulent Asia. Duh. Maybe I should have cut this open before I started filming. Okay, that wasn't that satisfying. Here's what we have. So I see a little plant here, and you know, the toilet paper stuff that a lot of places seem to use. I don't know what it is. Okay, so we have our first plant here. Do 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 do. Oh, okay, so this is a Sansevieria Honii. I'm sure I'm not pronouncing that right, but the roots look really good. They're pretty dried out, but that's pretty typical for an import. The plant looks really healthy. I'm sure it's going to root back nicely. And you know what? I will give updates on these. So 6 months from now, I'm gonna go add that in my calendar. We're gonna do an update on these bad boys. Ooh, this is cool. I don't know. There's like name tags in here, but they're all ripped up. So I don't know what these are. I've been talking about it kind of a lot lately, I feel like, but how much I like chunky, stubby type succulents that have the super thick, plump leaves. It's kind of like minty colored. Ooh, it's beautiful. And I like the red outlines on the tops of the leaves. The goldish, reddish color against that mint is just divine. That is seriously beautiful. I am so excited. Okay, this is cool. Look, there's a baby on it. That's exciting. Right there. I could pull this off and stick it in soil or whatever and root it and it would grow into this. That's really, really exciting. Love to see it. That's just a little bonus, you know? I'm not gonna separate them. I'm gonna let that bad boy grow with its mother for as long as possible. And what's cool on this one is if you look at it straight on, the edges of the leaves are kind of wavy. Wow. The edges just look a little bit different than on other varieties of this. I hope my words are making sense. And again, the roots look awesome. Whoa! Oh my gosh. Wow, that is beautiful. Each leaf is like twisted. That is so cool. I don't know if all of the leaves will grow in like that. It's kind of seeming like this one is starting to do that too. That is so cool. It's like a wind chime. It has this kind of spotted dark green and lime green with bright yellow kind of lines following through. Oh my gosh, that is such a beautiful contrast. That is so beautiful. Probably shouldn't do that. I should actually probably wash these first. I should be wearing gloves, honestly. This has that same growth pattern I've been talking about that I'm obsessed with. I don't know what it is about it, but I'm just very, very appreciative of it. Anyway, this is kind of that same thing except with longer leaves, whatever these are. Oh my gosh, I need to learn more about succulents because I don't even know if these are like leaves or not. These things are a lot narrower and longer, so that's really, really cool to see, and it's kind of minty colored. I hope it's gonna show up accurately on camera, but it's pretty minty silvery, but then if you look from straight above, each of the leaves has dark green like stripes through it. Oh my gosh, that's so beautiful. Next! This is so cute! You see how it gets bigger? The way that these leaves are like wrapped around each other is so cool to me. It looks like they're like kind of suction cupped on there. You know what's really messed up? For a long time, I didn't appreciate succulents, but lately, I know I'm talking about them all the time. Lately, it's because I get it. They're so cool. I'm actually very excited to get them potted up. Normally with plants, I like dread potting them. For succulents, I really like the process of potting them up. I don't know, it's just so satisfying. Maybe because succulents are like not needy, so I don't worry about them, so potting them up isn't like a fiasco of me worrying if I'm killing it or not. Wow, okay, this is dangerous. This is definitely an agave of some sort. She is menacing. Look at those little teeth. The green on these leaves is kind of minty, kind of turquoisey. And then the brown spikes. It does have the dried up, crispy roots that are something that you just have to kind of accept if you're going to import, especially with succulents. This can't happen so much with tropical plants, but it's pretty typical with like succulents and Hoya plants. What's really cool to see about this one is even though the main roots are all messed up like this, there's quite a few actually like healthy new roots popping out. It's actually going to acclimate to being potted pretty quickly, whereas some of the other ones that don't have, actually all of the other ones that don't have roots like this are going to take a little bit longer to like actually start growing, but that's okay. It's all part of the process. That is just a little bonus treat. So I'm very happy about that. So those are all of the plants that I got from Succulent Asia. Wait, should I hold them all? Let's see if I can hold them all. Yeah, I can hold them all. I've got small hands, but wow, they can hold a lot of shit. And what I'll be doing with these succulent plants until I'm able to get them potted up is keep them just in this bin of very lightly dampened long fiber sphagnum moss mixed with perlite, just so that the roots or the base of the plant are touching the moss so that they can slowly start to rehydrate, or at minimum not dehydrate more than they already are from their long journey. Yep, I'm just going to be keeping them in here until I get around to potting. These are everything I unboxed from Succulent Asia. I'll have them linked down below. I'm very, very happy with this experience with them. All the plants look really healthy, and I honestly feel like they're going to bounce back from their import journey very quickly. Let me know if you would like to see a video where we just pot all of these up and chat, talk about plants or whatever. I'm probably going to do that here soon. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!